The pre-built drill-down layout offers an integrated approach to sector indexes, industry indexes, and the individual stocks that make those up. But it also allows you to filter all three of these watch lists for any criteria that you like. Looking at the S&P 500 chart, the last significant low we had was on the 9th of February. What I want to do is filter our sectors and industries that between that time and this, 38 days, have had at least a 1.5% move up. So we'll start with the sector indexes. I'm going to click the scan button, choose select conditions. This is where we create any conditions to filter this list. I'm going to click add condition, type the word price, choose price from the list, and in the condition box, select moving up, select percent, set our percentage at 1.5%, and our move period to 38 days, the time since that significant low in the market. We click OK, and there's our condition. To apply the condition, I'm going to scan or filter the sector indexes. I click scan, and about half of them are filtered out. Now I want to do the exact same thing in the industry list. So I'm going to click scan. Again, select condition, add condition, type part of the word price, and basically we're going to recreate the exact same condition. Moving up, percent, set it to 1.5, and our period to 38. Click OK. And again, to apply to our indexes, we click scan. So now we are filtering both our sector indexes and their related industry indexes to those that have had at least a 1.5% move since that significant February 9th low in the S&P. The last piece of this is that I can also filter the actual stocks that make up these lists. So again, I'm going to click the scan button. And this time I want to use some criteria to qualify these stocks. So I click select conditions. We're going to add three simple conditions. First, price. And we're going to say we want that price to be greater than $5, thus eliminating any stock in any list we come upon that is trading currently less than $5. Secondly, we want to create a little bit of liquidity. So we're going to type the number 90 and we're going to use volume 90 days. We're going to say we want the average daily volume over those 90 days to be at least 500,000 shares. Click OK. And then lastly, we're going to use market cap. So we type in part of the word capitalization. But this time I'm simply going to use from our condition box ranking and say that I want the stocks to rank in about the top 60% of the market for capitalization. Gets rid of our smaller cap stocks. So now we're going to be filtering the watch list by these conditions. Price is greater than 5, average volume greater than 500,000, and the capitalization is in the top 60% of the market. Click scan, and that will filter the list. So now, as I spacebar through my filtered sector indexes, I know that all of these indexes have moved up at least 1.5%. As I do that, it loads automatically the industry indexes at the bottom. And I know that within those sectors, these are the industries that have moved up at least 1.5% in the last 38 days. And the stocks that are produced are the sector stocks that meet our conditions from our scan. Or if I click into the industry list and spacebar through, it's filtering our industry components to those that meet our scan conditions. So we're filtering all three watch lists at the same time.